Welcome to the exciting world of AI video generation. Today, we'll delve into the powerful MiniMax Hailuo AI tool and learn how to craft effective prompts to create stunning visuals. Ready to get started? Let's go. First things first. Head over to the Hailuo AI website and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll get unlimited tries for the first 3 days. After that, you'll get free credits every day to keep experimenting. To get started, simply type your prompt here. You can also turn on the prompt enhancer for extra assistance, then hit generate. When it comes to AI video generators, crafting the perfect prompt is key. Now let's break down how to create a structured prompt that leads to stunning results. Okay, here's a simple format that works really well. In this format, you break down your prompt into 3 parts. First, you describe the camera movement, how you want the shot to be framed or what the camera is doing. Next, you set up the establishing scene. This is where you describe the subject and the environment. Lastly, you add any additional details like lighting, mood, or specific actions to refine the scene further. Now, let's start with a very simple prompt and see how we can improve it step by step. As you can see, this prompt is way too vague. Now let's start adding more specific elements. For example, let's say we want a wide-angle shot from below. Next, we'll add some movement to make the scene feel more alive. Now, let's make it even more vibrant by adding lighting and atmosphere. Finally, we can take the prompt further by adding a specific style and aesthetic, as well as any text elements. Let's explore a city scene at night and see how different camera styles affect the mood. Low-angle shot makes the scene feel larger and more imposing. Wide angle captures the entire scene, ideal for vast environments. Close-up shot focuses on details, like neon signs or a person walking, creating intimacy. First-person view gives the feeling of being inside the action, like walking through the city. Overhead shot provides a bird's-eye view, showing how traffic and people move through the streets. Lighting is another key element that can change the mood of a scene. Let's use an elephant walking through the savannah at dawn as an example. Diffused lighting creates a calm, peaceful atmosphere. Silhouette lighting adds drama by turning the elephant into a dark shape against the bright sky. Backlit highlights the elephant's edges, creating a soft glow as the sun rises behind it. Side lighting casts long shadows, adding depth and contrast. Lens flare adds a cinematic look, creating streaks of light when sunlight hits the camera. Gel lighting effect changes the emotional tone. Now that we've nailed down text prompts, let's talk about using images to create videos. To generate a video from an image, simply click here to upload it from your device. After that, type your prompt and hit generate. When you use an image, the AI already knows the subject and scene, so you'll want to focus on camera movement, lighting, and effects to bring it to life. For example, let's say you have an image of a woman standing on a mountain peak. The AI knows what the scene looks like, so now it's all about adding motion and atmosphere. You can also add lighting details and movement speed to really enhance the video. By mastering the key elements of a strong prompt and practicing consistently, you can unlock the full potential of AI video generators. So, dive in, start experimenting, and most importantly, have fun as you let your creativity soar.